thing in 23.
We got 7 seconds to go.
I should have made
Oh no.
Hey guys, it's Wengie.
And Max.
And...
Pancake hugs.
What was that?
I gave you little bunny ears.
Anyways, today we're doing a pancake art challenge. We're gonna add a mystery wheel element to it.
Oh.
So we may spin either something good or something bad to help us with our round.
How bad could it be, right? What are you gonna make me do? Like,
Have tiny hands.
what? No, I don't want that.
I want tiny hands. By special request, we're bringing back the Macbook Air giveaway. So if you guys want to win a Macbook Air, all you need to do is be part of this family and subscribe. Good luck to you guys. All right, let's get straight into round one. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, so round one is Groot.
Oh, Groot! Groot is the best. I am Groot. I am Groot.
Oh, you're Groot.
Groot.
Groot. All right, let's see which color it stops on.
Oh, you got green. Oh, okay, I got dark blue.
What did I get?
Oh.
I got a pass.
What does that
It
mean?
means I get to do it as normal.
This is rigged. All right, what is it? Memory only.
So that means you have
I
to
can-
draw from
Wait.
memory. See, I've got the reference picture.
No, I
right
get
here.
to see him for like 5 seconds. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I gotta study. I gotta study him.
3, 4, 5. There you go.
No, no, no. I want him. I want him.
Let's start round one.
Whoa, you got enough. How am I meant to remember him? I literally saw him even less than 5 seconds. I wasted like 3 of those seconds trying to eat him. That's my beginning. What do you think?
Looks like Togepi.
Well, Togepi's cute. He looks like an ant now. I gave him ant antennas.
We should get like a side blindfold on you.
Yeah, I'm dodgy. I'm a dodgy game player.
Are you sure this is on?
Wait, what happened?
It's not very warm. Can we blow a fuse?
My memory is failing me. Help me.
Are those really his arms?
I thought his arms were like twigs.
Oh, I ruined it! This squeezy bottle is of nightmares.
My poor Groot. Help me.
I'm gonna finish this up. The air blew my mouth out.
You passed too much wind.
Yep.
You're too gassy.
Quite gassy.
I'm done! Mine looks like a spider or a caterpillar wearing little tiny green slippers.
Alright, we ready to flip?
I'm ready. Oh, my arm! My arm! Oh!
It's still raw.
You know what? No guts, no glory.
Alright, we're gonna flip it. Oh!
Oh no! I flipped his head like inside out.
Poor Groot. What do you think of my Groot?
He looks quite cute.
He's a cute Groot.
My Groot woke up on the wrong side of the bed, so he's looking a little tired. He's looking a little grumpy. That's all. Oh!
Alright guys, this is my Groot. He lost the side of his face, so remember what he used to look like.
Well, this is my Groot. I think he looks pretty lit. If by lit, I mean
Worried?
horrific.
It looks yummy.
I do look good.
Alright guys, vote for your favorite Groot down below who won round one, and we're moving to the next round. Ready?
Yep, let's go.
Alright guys, for round two, we are doing Iron Man.
Oh, snap. I love Iron
I
Man.
love Iron Man too.
No, I love him more.
I love him more.
No, I love him the most. Infinity +1.
We like Captain America. We went through this. Iron Man is mine.
What do you mean he's yours?
He's mine.
What are you trying to say?
Call me Iron Man. Let's do our mystery wheel and
Oh,
see
that's right.
what
Mystery
we get.
wheel. Let's go. Do something good, baby. Oh, yellow.
Alright, I'm gonna give mine a little bit of a spin.
Oh, orange.
Let's see what I have.
Ah!
Oh, left hand only.
Left hand, buddy. You want to use your right hand? Nope, nope. Cut it off. All right, mine is no outline. I can't use an outline for him. No.
He has a great jawline, by the way.
Can you stop hitting on Iron Man in front of me? I'm right here. I'm literally here. Please.
Left hand, don't fail me. Oh, my lines aren't straight. Give him some cheekbone. That jawline.
What's the What does that mean?
I think I'm doing pretty well. Like, I feel like I'm pretty ambidextrous. What do you think?
Hey, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. Wait, I need an outline. Oh no. Why is it so hard without one?
Oh, no. I wanted to use my right hand.
Oh, she starts using her right hand. Instantly disqualified. Am I right? No mercy.
What is with this batter?
Blaming it on the tools of the trade. What is going on here? I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh no! Oh, I caught it.
I'm gonna start off with the red on the side of his fist. His beautiful jawline.
Once you're done salivating over Iron Man, maybe you'll actually concentrate and try and beat me. Because mine's looking lit. Slightly uneven, I must say. I don't know what happened there.
You know what? I'm almost done.
You know what? I'm almost done.
Are you really?
Not really.
Yours looks like a rabbit now. He tastes good.
Oh, you're literally drooling over him now as a food source. Let's go. It's the yellow. Whee! A brain.
Wait, abort!
Oh.
Abort! I didn't see. Never mind.
Back to cooking Iron Man.
Back to cooking the top of his head. Oh no! I used my right hand to squeeze.
Disqualified!
No! Wait, does that mean I gotta flip with my left hand?
Yeah, I didn't even pick that up. Help me. You know what? I feel like mine might be ready to flip. Flip! Oh!
Hey, I mean, for not an outline, it's not bad. All right, let's get them onto these plates. Oh look, I'm using my left hand.
Oh!
All right guys, so this is my completed left-handed Iron Man.
And this is my Iron Man with no outlines.
Who do you guys think won this round? Don't forget to comment down below right now. Are you ready to move to the next round?
Yes, I am.
All right, let's go.
go.
All right, so round 3, we are doing Jigglypuff.
Oh, Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Alright, I'm gonna spin the whisk.
The spin the whiskey? Spin the bottle? There's only one
I mean-
person to kiss if you spin the bottle, you know what I'm saying? You know.
What, Jigglypuff? Mystery wheel time. Alright, I want pink, because...
You got orange again. Oh, that was a good spin.
Yeah.
I could feel it in my bones. Light blue!
I got...
You got a pass! Is this your second pass? Dude, this game is rigged. Oh, lightning round! You know what this means? It means your pass don't even matter. Because we got a lightning round, boy! We both got 2 minutes on the clock. This applies to both of us.
What? That's not fair.
It's a lightning round. That's what happens in lightning rounds. I didn't make up the rules.
Are you ready?
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Wait, I've never been this nervous in my life. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
You gotta do it calmly, you know?
No. I'm rushing. Look at her.
Yeah,
She's
like...
so calm. What the heck is going on? Oh my gosh, I'm struggling. Oh no, what is this? Ah! Oh no. Oh. Okay, we got a minute left, dude.
I was having so much fun without knowing what the time was.
So yeah, I was telling you would have not even had a Jigglypuff by the end of it. You know what I'm saying? 50 seconds left, buddy.
50 seconds.
50 seconds left.
No.
You think you got this? You think you got this?
My artistic ability is going down now that I'm panicking.
Oh my gosh, 23 seconds.
Oh,
No. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if I'm gonna fill this thing in 23 seconds.
7 seconds. We got 7 seconds to go. Oh my gosh.
I should have made
Oh no.
No.
Oh, that's it.
Oh gosh. I created a monster.
I knew I had to rush, but I think I spent too long doing the eyes.
Look, mine's smoking. Three, 2, 1. Oh!
Doesn't look terrible. I'm not confident I can even flip mine.
You gotta try. Flip! Well, you know what? Your eyes look good. All right, time to get it onto the plate. Ooh, look, mine came.
Whoa! Jigglypuff! I had to slide mine off like a hot mess.
Oh, look at her leg. All right, guys, round 3 is done. Don't forget to go down below to the comments and vote who you thought won this round.
Please imagine that mine is filled. Okay, please.
We're gonna go with what we have. No.
Hey.
All right, this round, guess what we're drawing? I actually don't know.
Oh, okay.
I've got it in my hand right now.
Oh, someone has given it to you.
Yep.
In secret.
So, this round we are drawing...
What? What do you mean?
Are
you serious? How are we meant to do this?
She's gonna look interesting.
I'm in shock right now. I'm shook. Let's see what our mystery wheel is.
Let's spin our mystery wheel.
Oh.
Orange! I have like a curse of the orange.
My turn. Come on. Oh, I got pink.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got pass. You got pass. I got pass.
Oh, we both got pass.
Well, thank goodness. This thing is gonna be epic.
Pop this crazy Captain Marvel art in front of us while I cry.
I'm gonna turn it.
Really?
Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's draw this. Oh my gosh. How are we gonna do this? Oh no, this ain't working out well. Oh no! I didn't even have my griddle on. I'm a mess. I'm an actual mess. I see what you're doing. You're going for the easy stuff first.
I don't want to make myself feel too bad so early on, you know.
Too late for me. I've already done that. I've already made myself feel bad.
I'm not the type to normally give up, but at this point I feel a little bit helpless.
We got this. Don't worry. This is not looking right. What am I doing? Those hips don't lie though. Dude, who came up with this idea? This is too much.
I'm not even gonna reply you because I have no brain power left.
Why does she have so many patterns on her pants?
Yeah, she has like pants creases galore. I'm trying to tell you, like no one ironed her pants.
Dude, yeah, get a mom. What? Or do it yourself.
She has glowy fists. Does that mean I can just do this?
Wait!
That's all I need to do.
Yeah, sure, if that's what you want to do.
All right, eyeballs. You wait till it's flipped. You just can't see the potential right now, you know? You know what?
Oh, you're dripping! You're dripping everywhere. Control yourself.
If I just like draw whatever, it's gonna look right because that's kind of what the drawing is.
That sounds a little like wishful thinking to
Just
me.
like-
That doesn't sound like someone with a plan. You know what I'm saying?
I don't even know how this is going to be flipped.
We might need to do a double flipperoo.
All right, I'm done, guys. I am over this pancake. This is abstract art. Did you eat too many beans today?
She is a little burned. That's actually not bad. You did a good job.
Oh, thank you.
Dang it. Now I feel bad about mine again. Oh, it feels so soft.
Oh!
Hey, hey, hey. You know what? Look at that.
Yeah, you do have colors that I don't see on mine. I gotta say, your hair does not trump my hair.
No, the hair over there, that looks like a cauliflower's butt.
Anyways, guys, this is our creations. What do you guys think? Vote for your favorite. Who won this round? Down below in the comments, and we have a very last one for you. Hopefully not so complicated. All right, guys, final round. So for this round, we're gonna be drawing the kissy emoji.
Oh, the kiss emoji. Everyone knows that kiss emoji. Come on.
All right, I'm gonna spin my wheel now. Blue.
Oh, blue.
All right.
Ah! I'm like dislocating my arm. Oh, I got orange.
Orange. I got upside down.
Upside down. You gotta draw it upside down.
Why? I can draw it upside down.
Oh, I got left hand. Okay, I gotta do it with my left hand this time.
No. Oh, you know what? A circle upside down.
Oh, it's still a circle.
Still a circle, so I can do that.
No.
Oh my gosh, how are you gonna fit your whole emoji there?
What do you mean?
Wait, are you holding your color with your right hand? Did you just do your whole emoji with your right hand after drawing disqualified?
I just completely forgot. Left hand. Let's start again. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, my mouth looks like a fish mouth. Oh no, mine's not round.
What is that?
I'm definitely never designed to be left-handed.
I ran out of yellow. No.
Oh no, what are you gonna do? Yeah. Oh! I was trying to help.
I did not ask for your help.
I did it out of pure love. Okay, I'm sorry.
Do you have enough batter to fill your giant circle head?
Of course I do. My left hand is just too weak to squeeze it out. Wait, why is it so hard to like draw inside the line, dude? Oh no, I'm running out.
Oh, looks
Cake
like
art
an
battle.
ampersand.
What is that?
Like an and.
What did you say? That word is too hard for me. A what percent?
Ampersand.
What percent?
Ampersand.
5%.
I'm gonna flip mine. Oh yeah.
Mine's burning. He's ready to
Oh my
flip.
gosh.
Oh, he's burnt, but he's up.
Alright, let's get these onto our plate.
Yes.
This is like my only non-burnt pancake.
Oh,
Which
look.
is kind of sad. Alright guys, so these are our pancakes for the final round. So don't forget to go down below and vote for this final round to see who won this whole challenge. You know who won. I think, you know, I won fair and
Yeah,
square.
I think you did pretty well
Even though
today.
yours looks more like a square than mine. Just saying, guys. Alright guys, that's the end of our pancake challenge. These are all our pancakes.
Oh, our creations.
We're gonna have a feast right now.
Oh my gosh, which one do you think is gonna taste the best? Wait, you started already? I'm gonna eat my terrifying Jigglypuff. I wanna get rid of this evidence. Jigglypuff, your leg tastes so good. This is me trying to become a vegetarian.
Eating plants. Alright guys, that's the end of our pancake art challenge. Let us know what other challenges you want us to do down below.
And also, let us know if there are any other characters you want us to try doing pancake art with.
Also guys, check out my new single, Mr. Nice Guy, on my music channel. I've linked it down below.
Nice guy. You can light me up, I'll be a nightlight.
And also, Max Mellor has a channel where he plays Roblox.
Oh, yes, I do. And it is lit.
Don't forget to come back here next week for a new video. Bye guys,
Bye.
love you.